Hi there. I hope you guys are doing great and had a wonderful weekend with your friends and families. In this video, I would like to talk about always prepared to face every negative situation. Before starting today's video, I would like to encourage you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and watch rest of my videos. And you can find the links below. And please turn on the notification. On every Monday, you watch a special video, and throughout the week I bring random videos as well about different aspects of life. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so you will be notified about every coming video. So I would like to talk about be prepared to face every negative situation in your life. There are situations that make us uncomfortable, and life is beautiful, but it also throws us in situations that make us uncomfortable, that are not according to our will. And there are failures, discouragements, obstacles, setbacks that really make us feel bad, that really hurts us. But we all want to succeed in life, but we should prepare. Like for success, we prepare ourselves. We prepare ourselves mentally, emotionally. We are trying to succeed, but we forget to prepare ourselves to face negative situations. And if we don't prepare ourselves for negative situations, that's a big challenge for us to face them. I would like to encourage you, make it your lifestyle, that no matter what kind of situation is, it's negative or positive, I have to accept it. In this way, you save your time as well, you save your energy, you don't harm yourself mentally, you don't take stress, you don't went through depression. So I would like to encourage you, be prepared to face every kind of situation in your life. There's a quotation of Henry Ford: failures are the opportunity to begin more intelligently. And I'm absolutely agree with that. So these are opportunities. We have to went through tests and trials to make us better. So if you're going through trials, if you're going through tests, if you're going through hard situations, if you're going through failure, disappointments, hurt and pain, so make yourself better, not bitter. So always prepare yourself to face every kind of situations. So do yourself a favor and make it your lifestyle, because it's success tip. You can consider it a success tip, you can consider it a lifestyle tip. So make it your lifestyle to face every kind of situation as an opportunity to make yourself better, not bitter. So for more coming videos, I would like to encourage you once again, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications, and please also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm giving the links below, and also like my page on Facebook as well. If I would like to encourage you, if you find this video helpful, give it a like and share your feedback in the comment section, and also share this video with your friends and families. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications for all coming videos. God bless you all. See you in the next video.